How to find Discord servers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to find the Discord servers that you need. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to discord.com/app or just open up your Discord application. Once you open it up, all you have to do is tap on the join button at the bottom. And then from here, you could just go ahead and add a server. So if you already have an invite, just click on join a server. Before the recent update, you used to be able to search for a server's name like Minecraft. If I hit enter, it will ask me to verify the captcha. So let me just quickly do that. Now it will officially join me to the Minecraft server like this. So just click on it. This is the first method. Now, once you join the server, you can look around and see what you're looking for. But if you are not able to find the server that you're trying to join, then go to a new tab and then you're going to have to search for something called Discord. Hit enter, and then you'll see the first link, discord.org. You can see all of the public Discord server list here. You could also categorize them from different categories like community, gaming, social, anime, roleplay, chill, hangout, and all of these good stuff. So let's say if I head over to gaming, it will give me all of its public free gaming servers that I can join. But before that, you are going to have to verify this captcha real quick. Once you do that, you'll be shown all of the available results. And all you have to join is just click on this join option and you should be good to go. It will redirect you to Discord and then you should be able to join the server. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.